Starting off today's vlog. Little dog action up, and he's gone. That's fine. What's going on, guys? It's been a hot minute since I recorded anything. I've just been really busy with work, and everyone else here been just as busy. But we're back, and we've been kind of working on the car on and off through like the week. This is where we're at right now. See, dash is out. We got the AC stuff out, and we're slowly working our way to getting the harness out so we can send that to iWire. I said that I was gonna send them out like a week ago, or almost 2 weeks ago, and we're still here trying to get it out. There's all that. Hey, bless you. And we're also working on getting the motor out, and I'm hoping the goal is to have the motor out today, or at least be ready to get pulled, and then have the harness out to be sent out Monday to iWire to get that done. But apart from that, also with Black Friday and everything, I got something and for the car, and I'm hoping to show you guys next week. It was on back order, or they didn't have the specific I don't want to reveal too much because I think it's a pretty big deal. It's just kind of a way for me to commit myself to the car. I made a pretty big purchase towards the car, and so I feel like I'm gonna have to finish it now. I think that's the idea, but we'll see. Anyways, so we're gonna get started and start taking this fucker apart.
Oh yeah, you beat that motor.
You need diamond fist. If not, you're just gonna disappear.
No.
You don't know how Minecraft works, do you?
You fucking...
You know what he is? He's a Terraria player.
Oh, that's why.
I don't play that card.
You're a Terraria player?
You're a
You're a Terraria player!
Gross, it's so bad. I don't even know what that is.
I was saying
I was about to say, you don't even play games. Playing games with my feelings right now.
Fuck this guy.
No, it's not. Do it right.
Can't even get a full.
Oh, I know what the 12 is, so I'm gonna use this.
Oh,
Yeah, we're
we don't
gonna-
know where the 12's at either.
Yeah, it is. It's on. Dude, we're so fucking dumb.
Where was it? Oh!
So we were looking for the 12 because we thought we had lost it, and it's black, and my interior is black for the most part, so we thought we had lost it.
I see.
But
fucking kidding me?
so
forgot.
so I'll leave it out here for like we'll give you guys a chance. Let me see if you guys can spot where we left the 12.
You guys are fucking...
So get a little closer,
Keep closing in until you get to it.
and as you can see, the other night when we were being idiots, we used it as a stupid fucking shift knob, and that's where our fucking 12 has been. We thought we had lost it, but we were using it as a fucking shift knob.
Now we're playing around.
Yeah, we're fucking around with the car, and we use it as a shift knob. We're fucking dumb.
Found it as well.
I appreciate it. It makes it a lot easier.
Yeah,
I forgot we had
dude, I forgot. I had totally forgotten that we had put it there. What did you say?
I said idiot.
Yeah, you're fucking rude.
You're welcome.
Next time we're not picking you up.
I didn't get picked up.
Oh shit, my bad.
Yeah, you got dropped off this time.
Well, they're gonna pick you up this time.
Actually, I don't think that's true.
You said it was a different size.
At first, I thought it was. But I picked off all the dirt.
This guy. So we're gonna take off the hood just to make it a little bit easier. And as far as the motor goes, I know the fuel lines will probably have pressure, but go ahead and work on getting that off. Get it. And we should have gone on those Home Depot sales. Thought that Black Friday has been around. Should have used some of that money.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda.
Luke.
Didn't.
Oh shit.
Shit. He's ready to pounce on him.
I know.
Ooh.
Crazy dog.
Really took one.
Yeah.
Put you guys on a tripod so I can do something. Oh, just pull it off. It's yeah, just yank it.
No, from where Alex is at.
Yeah, there's there you go.
You want, just get the knife. I got a knife in my pocket.
Get it. Use your muscles, Antoine. There you go. That works.
Okay, it's good enough.
Watch out.
Use the what?
I'm gonna take off this.
Yeah, for now.
Quarter right here.
Yeah, I also here. Hold this, or just lock it and put it up. I know it's kind of tall, but I'll fix that. Anyways, so I also have an idea for the hood. What I'm gonna do. At first, I wanted to do the STI like hood scoop, and for you guys that don't know, it's basically the same thing. It's just a little bit taller, or maybe it's the RSTI. I'm not too sure, but it's a little bit taller. But I'm gonna get rid of that and do something else. Hey, rude ass. This guy. These guys, I should say. I'm gonna do that. And also, I've been thinking about doing something with its pinstriping. Maybe keeping it and going off of it more. When I bought the car, I had it. And it was alright. Honestly, it's pretty good. I mean, I don't know who owned this car before me and pinstriped it, but, you know, more power to them. Honestly, I think it's pretty cool. I don't know if I'll keep it or do something with it. So we'll see. We'll see what I do with that. Now we got access, or a little bit more room to work with now. Alright. We're back. Oh!
Well, just like me at the thing right now.
Hey! Hey!
That guy is ugly.
Yeah, that's fucked up. Alright. So, progress report.
Yeah, we didn't begin the time lapse earlier apparently, so
Yeah, I fucked up. Like 110% fucked up, but I thought I started. Oh shit! I almost dropped you guys. I thought I had started the time lapse, and apparently I did not start the time lapse. So, RIP to all that footage. But it's okay. We got kind of some kind of time lapse. But this is where we're at. Trying to pull the harness through firewall. So we got basically the harness that iWire needs out.
Wait.
And engine-wise, We
Wait,
basically
I need to push one at a time.
disconnected everything that we need. We just kind of need to unbolt the
Yeah, you can
transmission,
rest.
and we can pull it out from there.
Go ahead.
I ended up just cutting a lot of the stuff, like some of these fuel lines, and there's little things here and there that I took off. It's too bright. Didn't really think I would need it, just because I plan to do
Oh, here, I got it.
braided lines for a lot of the fuel, or anything that would
Oh, you
use
don't pay for it?
No.
most of the rubber lines
I'm
or
fucking poor.
like oil, whatever. I plan to just do a lot of hard lines or braided lines, so that should be good. So not too worried about that. Now we're just trying to get this shit out, get everything to pull through. Shit, go on the other side, probably more room. Yeah. Was it clipped on there?
Well, the box.
He's gonna end up taking out all the wires from the box.
No, take the wires from the box.
You don't want me to?
Just take the box out.
That's what I was
Well,
trying to do.
You want me to rip it out? Because it's kind of on there.
Yeah. What is that? What is it? Just clipped on?
It's just like the other thing. It just snaps out.
So it's a clip?
Yeah. There it is.
You broke one, I think.
Nope.
Yeah. It's
R.I.P.
whatever.
R.I.P. Shit. We can't save them all. But we're doing our best.
Keep going.
You got him.
Going. Hold on. This is where you might get stuck with this one. Take that.
What is that?
That's what I'm trying to do. You can't get that corner, dude.
Watch out. Let me see. You got it?
No. No. You
What?
want me to bend it?
What is that? Hold
I don't
on.
think Junior wants me to bend it.
What is that?
Watch out. Let me see. We got it. Alright, Ricky, where you at?
Are you
Here, hold
kidding
it.
me?
Ricky just took it off.
Nice. Oh, that fucking works.
Yep.
Oh yeah, look at that wiring harness, dude.
Honestly, it's probably a week's worth of work. Don't touch this ball. You guys will eat it.
This fucking tentacle moves,
Boom.
dude.
Thumbnail.
Put it as a wig.
Fucking looks like some lungs, dude.
You can just cut it out, right?
Yeah.
What?
You can just take the picture out, or should I take an actual picture?
No, take an actual picture. We
Okay.
did that one time.
Alright. We'll be back.
Stupid.
Nope, we'll figure it out.
Race car. I don't even remember where shit went. Race car. Lightweight. If we're missing a few bolts,
Just plug it in. Just
Fuck it.
Plug everything in.
plug the holes. Plug
Wherever
it.
anything fits.
Alright.
The
This is on the left
harness.
side.
We need to take out the windows and the trunk door too. All the
And
doors
I
out.
believe this is all we needed for
For what? Wait, what do you
to send to
I was like,
iWire.
lightweight. All the doors out.
God damn.
The trunk.
I'm trying to show my viewers what I need. Doesn't care. Just doesn't care. But so finally got that out. I'm gonna double check on their website that that's the only thing I need. I'm pretty sure it is, but we'll fucking see, because I've been wrong before. Been wrong like 5 different times when I tried to buy a fucking valve cover gasket. Swear, dude, I spent at least like $50 on fucking valve cover gaskets. Stupid.
I fucking remember that.
Do your research, guys. Anyways, this is where we're at. So I think we're just about ready to pull this out. So we'll go ahead and do that, and we'll probably come back when we're gonna do that. And here's the interior right now. Kind of just destroyed. And then we just have this tripod. Shit, I don't know if you guys can see that. I have this tripod holding up the steering wheel. I remember reading somewhere that, like over there, that Shit, can you see it? Maybe you can't see it, but there's like a little gasket over there or something. Fuck. Smacked you guys against the steering wheel. But supposedly, not to let the steering wheel droop, because it will fuck up that gasket and it's a pain in the ass. So, try not to do that. Oh, now you fucking care. No, you don't. That's okay. I still love you. Alright.
Love you too.
What do you say?
I love you too.
Damn. What about you?
What do you want from me?
Oh shit, okay.
Damn.
Damn. On that note.
Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Engine.
Put it in the motherfucking video.